Today, we're unboxing and reviewing the Bosch UniversalRotak 37560. Is it really worth your money in 2025? Stick around, because I'll show you what's inside, how it performs, and my honest pros and cons. Let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we get the main mower body, handles, and the instruction manual. The 40-liter grass box. Everything is neatly packed, and Bosch includes all the tools you need for assembly. At first glance, the build quality feels solid, with Bosch's signature green finish. The mower has a 37 centimeters cutting width, which makes it suitable for small to medium gardens. Assembly is straightforward. It takes less than 10 minutes. Just attach the handles, snap on the grass box, and you're ready to go. One thing I really like is the ergonomic handle design. Bosch calls it ErgoFlex E, which helps reduce strain on your wrists and back while mowing. Cutting height can be adjusted between 20 millimeters and 70 millimeters with a simple lever. It's also surprisingly lightweight, which makes it easy to move around the garden. The grass box holds 40 liters, so you don't have to stop and empty it too often. So, what do I like about the Bosch UniversalRotak 37560? Easy assembly, lightweight and quiet, clean, consistent cut, large grass box. But there are a few drawbacks. The power cable can feel limiting if you have a bigger garden. Not ideal for very tall or wet grass. Plastic build may not feel as premium as higher-end models asterisk. Alright, time to test it out. On shorter grass, the cut is smooth and even. On slightly longer grass, it still handles well without clogging. 37 to 560 is a fantastic option for homeowners with small to medium gardens. Overall, the Bosch UniversalRotak 37560. The mower is noticeably quieter than petrol alternatives, which is great if you have close neighbors. It's efficient, user-friendly, and gives a professional-looking cut without the noise and hassle of petrol mowers. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable mower in 2025, this is definitely worth considering. I've left a link in the description if you want to check it out. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe for more unboxings and garden tool reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.